Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, so I'm reporting live from Planet Ipsy. It is going to be April's Ipsy bag, and this one is going to be the 5 full size. It's $25 a month subscription. Alright, and so this month they've got goodies. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start with the contacts. Can you see? It's contacts and it's a nail color duo. It is liquid nail polish, and oh my gosh, okay, so there's this really pretty blushy blushy color. It's called Don't Cry, and then this one is this pretty gold metallic color, and it's called Rocket Queen. Don't Cry, Rocket Queen, numbers 13 and 14. Okie doke. So what do we have next? Okay, Tarte. Oh, Tarte's. Alright, this is going to be a dual liquid and gel eyeliner, which is really badass because the gel is going to be for your waterline, and then the that is amazing, effortless. Anyway, so that's gel, and then this is of course going to be the liquid. And as you can see, this is going to be in black, of course. I absolutely love Tarte. Tarte's, whatever it's called, Tarte brand things, period, are my favorite eyeliners. I like to use liquid eyeliner for my top, but now I think I'm going to have to give this a go so I can try my waterline now that I have a gel liner. I'm not going to buy gel liners, especially when I've got so many from Ipsy and so many that are liquid like I like, but just something to keep in mind. Okay, oh, my favorite. So this is going to be Shayna B, and it's Miami. And this is going to be the mini Miami eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a total of 8 colors. And so this is the palette, the story. I'm absolutely in love. I love that they have the matte colors, and then they've got the shimmer. I actually tried this today. So I actually like it. I prefer natural colors, but then a little bit of shimmer. I'm still, working. I'm a work in progress. Yeah. Okay, so here we go from Foxy Bay. This is Flamingo leave-in cream conditioner for your hair. So this ought to be interesting. It's a leave-in cream conditioner, and it says that you put it in while your hair is damp, and then you blow dry your hair. So I can't wait to give that a try. I'll probably try tomorrow. Alright, and so last but not least, I've got these 2 wonderful face masks. One is diamond, one is the diamond mask, and then the other one is creme de la creme. And what I like about these face masks is that you peel them off, and then you just sit them on your face, versus the kind that you kind of got to rub in, and then you wait for it to peel. I feel like I never wait long enough. Anyway, maybe I don't put enough on, who knows. Oh, and last but not least, my favorite, the little Ipsy bag. So this is the little bitty makeup bag, or whatever you want to use it for. I have so many. I probably have to do a video on that. Don't judge. Don't judge. I have a lot of makeup. So anyway, this is cute for out and about. Maybe throw this in your purse, throw something in it, and this way you keep your things organized. Maybe my medicine? Lipsticks? Lip gloss? Who knows? Anyway, thank you again for watching. It's been an Ipsy update. This is for the month of April 2020. And if you have any questions or any concerns about my makeup habit, don't call intervention. Trust me, it's cool. My family's cool. Don't worry about it. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.